If you're creating content on YouTube, you know the struggle, right? You pour your heart and soul into a video, you hit that publish button, and then you just kind of hope for the best. But what if there was a way to swap hope for an actual strategy? Well, today, we're going deep inside the playbook of an expert, Dr. Vernette Grant, to see exactly how the pros use AI to literally engineer YouTube growth. Okay, let's dive into this.
And that really is the heart of it, isn't it? This quote from Dr. Grant just cuts right to the chase. I mean, in today's digital world, creating without data is like trying to navigate without a map. Yeah, you might get somewhere eventually, but you're probably missing the fastest, most direct route to success.
So in this explainer, we're not just talking about some tool. We are analyzing a proven strategy. We're going to deconstruct how an expert thinks about and actually uses VidIQ to get real, tangible results. The whole goal here is to give you a framework you can apply to your own channel, starting like right now.
So here's our roadmap for today. We're going to start by framing the problem, then we'll define the tool that solves it, break down its core features and its AI-powered magic, and then we'll finish up with a super clear, actionable workflow you can start using immediately.
First up, let's tackle the biggest hurdle for pretty much every creator, that feeling that you're just guessing. This section, Stop Guessing, Start Growing, is all about making that shift from wishful thinking to a rock-solid plan.
So let me ask you this, straight up. What's driving your content decisions right now? Is it just a gut feeling? You know, a cool idea you had in the shower? Or is it actually backed by data? Data about what your audience wants and what the YouTube algorithm is looking for. This is the fundamental shift we're talking about making.
So if the problem is all this guesswork, then what's the solution? Well, that brings us right to section 2. What is VidIQ? And as Dr. Grant puts it, it's not just another tool. It's an AI-powered growth engine.
Okay, so at its core, VidIQ is this whole suite of tools. It's not just one thing. You've got the browser extension that gives you data right there on the YouTube page, a full web app for when you want to do a deep dive, and a mobile app for insights on the go. The key is that it plugs directly into your channel to give you personalized, data-backed advice.
And we're not just talking about raw numbers here. VidIQ is built to give you insights across your entire creative process, from sparking those initial ideas to peeking at what your competition is doing, all the way to tracking what's about to go viral. It's built to turn all those scattered data points into a single, cohesive strategy.
But here's the most crucial point. All of these features, all this data, it's all designed to pull on just 3 specific levers. The 3 levers that are absolutely critical for YouTube growth. It's all about getting found, getting clicked, and keeping people watching.
And this really sums up the entire philosophy behind it. It all comes down to these 3 pillars. Can people find your video? That's search. When they do find it, do they actually click on it? That's your click-through rate. And once they click, do they stick around and watch? That's retention. You master these 3, and you have mastered the YouTube game.
Okay, let's get into the specifics. Section 3, the Creator's Core Toolkit. Before we even touch the crazy advanced AI, let's look at the foundational features that every single creator should be using. First up, winning at search. VidIQ's keyword tools are absolutely essential. It doesn't just spit out keywords, it gives you opportunity scores. It shows you which terms have a high search volume but low competition. That's the sweet spot, the gold mine for discoverability. This is how you get your videos to actually rank.
Next up, optimization. You can think of this as your pre-flight checklist before hitting publish. VidIQ gives you a scorecard and real actionable recommendations for your title, your description, your tags, even your thumbnail, all to maximize that all-important click-through rate.
And finally, we have the analytical side of things, which is about looking both outward and inward. You can track your competitors to see what's working for them and spot breakout topics. But just as important, you can audit your own channel to double down on what's working and fix what isn't. It's all about learning from every single video you post.
All right, we've covered the foundation. Now for the really exciting part. Section 4, Unlocking AI-Powered Growth. This is where VidIQ goes from just being a helpful tool to being your strategic partner.
Just imagine waking up every single day to a list of custom video ideas tailored specifically for your channel, and they even come with a prediction of how well they might perform. That's what AI Daily Ideas does. It takes all the guesswork out of what should I make a video about by finding high-potential topics just for you.
And then there's the writing. Oh, the writing. The AI content writers can generate a bunch of title options optimized for clicks. They can write a keyword-rich description, and they can even outline or write an entire script for you.
This isn't just a time saver. It's about crafting every single piece of text to be as effective as possible for the algorithm.
And this is a total game changer. The AI Coach. It has 2 modes. Fast thinking is for those quick questions, like, hey, give me 5 title ideas for a video about this. But deep thinking is for the more strategic stuff, like, analyze my top competitor's strategy and tell me where the opportunities are. It's basically like having a YouTube consultant on demand, 24/7.
And the innovation doesn't stop there. New AI tools are being added all the time. The clipping tool automatically finds the best parts of your long videos and turns them into shorts. The thumbnail maker uses AI to suggest high-impact designs. And the advanced trend filters, they help you spot viral potential before anybody else. So, how do we put all of this together, right? That brings us to our final section, your new strategic workflow. This is how you integrate all these incredible tools into one seamless process. Here it is, a simple 3-step loop. In pre-production, you're not just brainstorming anymore. You're validating your ideas with AI. At the upload stage, you're using those AI writers and design tools to optimize for clicks and search. And after you publish, you're analyzing the data and using the AI clipping tool to give your content a whole second life. And this is the ultimate takeaway. Following a workflow like this totally transforms your approach. Every single decision is deliberate. Every piece of content is optimized, and growth is no longer a matter of luck. It's the result of an intentional, data-driven strategy.
And Dr. Grant's advice here is crystal clear. This explainer gives you the what and the why, but the how is an ongoing journey. For expert training on using AI to really scale your channel, she recommends you subscribe for more of her content. For any serious creator, it's really the logical next step.
So we'll leave you with this question. After seeing how the pros build a real growth engine, it all comes down to a choice. Are you going to continue creating based on hope, or are you going to start building your channel with intention? The tools and the strategy are right here. The next move is yours.